To understand the hidden knowledge of Holy Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Holy Four Vedas, Holy Quran Sharif, Holy Bible, Holy Guru Granth Sahib, Kabir Sahib's speeches, to unravel all these mystical secrets, must listen the nectar words of Jagat Guru Tattvadarshi, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, based on the holy scriptures of all religions.
Like a thief came and stopped at the house of a virtuous person, a passerby became a guest. Now that noble person considered him to be a noble guest because he himself was noble. He didn't consider him a thief. It was winter, he fed food, gave good clothes and made him sleep in his house where he himself was sleeping. Now, the owner slept with ease, the thief got up and took away his money and left at night. Now that thief was a thief, but to that noble person he did not seem to be a thief. Then a virtuous person stopped at that thief's house, a passerby. Now he stopped him, he stopped. Now that virtuous person slept in the evening at his house and he kept awake the whole night, that he might not steal in the night, he might not steal in the night. Like this he remained awake, because that fault was present in him himself. It was not in that noble person, in the guest. And God has given many more proofs. A girl was being beaten. The people of the city were beating her. A saint reached there. He was a powerful saint. Everyone knew that there is power in his words. He asked, "What happened, children? Why are you beating this daughter?" All the villagers said that she is a prostitute. She does evil act here. The saint said, "Stop. Do one thing. Do not punish her like this. Punish her the way I'll tell you. Everyone pick up one stone each and we will hit her. One stone, we will give her a painful death." Everyone picked up one stone. And the saint said that the one who has never committed any crime should hit her with a stone. One who does not have any fault in his mind, he should do this work, otherwise you will die here. No one had stone remaining in hand. They left and stood far away. God said, "Think about it, you worthless people. Does she alone do this sin, or someone from your village was part of it?" They turned their face down. "Why are you not beating him?" Virtuous souls, the point is when we become devotees, we will walk on the path of God, then we have to deal with such worldly obstacles and we have to move forward with love, with this knowledge. Now that girl started coming, but even after hearing so much knowledge, the people with corrupt intellect kept behaving in the same way with that daughter. The soul of God got hurt that these wicked people have still not understood what I want to say. When they were suffering so much, they all used to discuss 100 times, "Oh God, I got such happiness, we got such happiness, you have done mercy, we had a bad condition, you cured it." And today, those who make arrangements themselves have become God. So what did God do? They started troubling that girl a lot. Then God started going to that girl's house. "Daughter, I will come there at your house." Now that was an infamous area. God Kabir used to go there and get a cot lay outside in the courtyard. The gate was on the main street. He used to sit there on the cot in front of the gate and the girl used to sit in front. He would put his feet on the thighs of the girl and she worshipped his feet, and God sat down with her. By placing his feet on her leg, disciples used to go and watch and told others to also come, "Let me show you the deeds of your Guruji." Now the point is that God thought that this sur is not good. Let me take the test once that how many are true devotees. He had understood them to some extent. Respected Ravidas Sahib Ji, and he mostly used to stay with Kabir Sahib Ji. He said to Ravidas Ji, "Devotee, do one thing. Bring one elephant on rent." An elephant was brought on rent, and he told that girl, "Daughter, come tomorrow with full makeup." "Right, father, your daughter will be present at your command." She did all her makeup, and what God Kabir Ji did, he filled Ganga water in a bottle, in a white bottle, and made the girl sit in the middle and made Ravidas ji, the driver, on top of the elephant, means Pilwan, and himself sat on the backside and put his hand on the shoulder of the girl, half hanging towards the chest, and Ganga water in one hand. And he drank like this and would act like this. God said to Ravidas ji that move your vehicle in the main market, and now God took that elephant in the main market, and whoever saw asked, "Who is he, brother? He has started prostitution in public. He is Kabir, weaver, Dhanak, used to call himself God Kabir. Call his disciples, today we will show the deed of your Guruji." Whoever saw him would say that, "No, I used to go, sometimes I did not go there. One day someone took me there like this." The point is that a group of 64 lakhs was formed, and seeing the scene, not even one was found. Everyone turned away from God. Now what is told, respected Garib Das Sahib Ji says that why God performed this spectacle.
के बड़ुआ बड़ुआ सब कहे कोई न जाने खोजी, दास गरीब कबीर कर्म यो डारे सिर का बोझी.
Everyone started calling him Badwa Badwa to God. No one could understand deeply why the spectacle was done. Garib Das Ji Sahib is saying that Kabir Karam or Dale Sir Ka Boj, that he put the weight of these 64 lakhs on his head, and not even one disciple is worth attaining salvation. It is said he is throwing them down from his head. Now, God used to tell them that when you were destroyed, someone had some sorrow, someone had some other sorrow. Then I was God, and today I have become a devil. Your intelligence works only this much. Now, virtuous souls, there are two reasons for turning away. There are two ways to turn away from a guru. One is to become anti-guru, and one is someone leaves for some reason and does not keep ill feelings for the guru. There is a difference in that. The anti-gurus find fault in gurus. All those 64 lakhs did not point faults in Guruji, but stopped going due to feeling shame from people. Some were there who were heads who themselves are quite worthless, so they used to keep ill feelings for God. So, they are called anti-gurus, and some who turn away for some reason, then God forgives them. He knows that there are many types of pressure on these creatures. But now they were charged to be brought till the middle generation, got their devotion done, got them to do charity, righteousness. So because of that reason you are getting human births till now, and the creature who comes from human life. And even now he has got a human birth. His deeds are very good. His nature is also good, and he cannot live without God. So that situation is yours. Somewhere you were wandering in search of God. Whatever you were doing, only those are coming here. Or one was not doing anything because of sacraments. One or two are pious souls. One or two say that I do not worship anyone and I was not even an atheist. So that is a different matter. And he was happy, and as you used to practice, it seems as if we were doing this worship, perhaps there is happiness from them. And when sorrow started coming, then we did not get any support from those worships. So in this way, we have to understand this knowledge and also have to know God. So now God has also given this knowledge to you. Based on this knowledge and the foul points due to which we failed earlier, the servant reminded them the Karontha incident that happened. This was the reason that the servant had exposed all these fakes, and these people spread rumors and took the support of the ministers, chief ministers, and also the government. They also misguided them that such happens in Karontha ashram. Even in the newspapers the same was defamed, but not a single child of mine went away from me because they had understood the servant very deeply. That's why those who failed earlier have passed today. For what reason did you pass? That you have recognized God. You are educated. This servant showed you Vedas, showed Gita Ji, showed the Puranas, showed the history of all other fakes in front of you. So you got 100% sure that Kabir is God. And our Guruji is Guruji, no matter what anyone may say. So in this way, we were fouled earlier and did not do that now. Now we will be liberated. We have recognized God, have accepted God Kabir as God. And without this, we could not move forward. Such baseless rumors were spread through newspapers, through media channels. If now some new devotee has come and sees them, then even today he can hate. But there were still lakhs of devotees with me, not even single went back because they have understood very well. The servant has taught them like a parrot by making them sit here, like the efforts are being made with you. Now the ongoing context is,
जो जन मेरी शरण है ताका हूँ मैं दासी गेल गेल लाग्या फिरूं जब तक धरती आकाशी जो बच्चा गौ की नजर में यूं साई को संते भक्तों के पीछे फिरे यू भक्त वत्सल भगवंते.
Supreme revered God Kabir is a lovable God to disciples. Now one of those souls was born in a Muslim home. Her name was Rabi. Now how kind is God? Like many times you have been shown the episodes of Vedas in Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt number 86, Mantra 26-27, Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt 82, Mantra 1-3, in Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt 96, Mantra 16-20, in Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt 1, Mantra 8 and 9, in Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt 20, Mantra 1. In many other places, when the time comes, the Almighty will do mercy. These Vedas will be translated well. Even the spectacle has been written in the Vedas. God performs such a spectacle. He is Paramakshar Brahma, complete God. He resides above in Satlok, in Sachkhand. And from there he comes with speed in whole body. And by acquiring body in 3 types, he sustains everyone with 3 types of bodies, takes care of everyone. One form of God is stable in Satlok, in which if crores of suns and moons are combined, there is so much radiance of one hair follicle, he is visible like humans. And the other type of body which the Almighty requires is he appears in the form of a newborn baby on the water above a pond. That is why he is called Narayana. It is the prescribed task of God. Some cultured souls take him away from there. Then upbringing of that God is done from virgin cows. He drinks the milk of virgin cows and not of others. God comes walking from there. He is Kabir Dev, Kabir Sahib. And he meets good souls. He gives them knowledge. On this basis, God himself says that
गोता मारूं स्वर्ग में जा बैठूं पाताले कह कबीर ढूंढता फिरूं अपने हीरे मोती लाले.
God himself says this, and those whom God met also tell the same thing. Like he met respected Nanak Sahib Ji on the Bain river, Satpurush Kabir Dev Ji came from Sachkhand, Satlok, and took him from Bain river to Sachkhand, then left him back from Satlok. He left his job as soon as he came back. He used to work with a Nawab. Then he reached Banaras in search of God. And what he had seen above in Satlok, God came in the form of a living saint and took Nanak Sahib Ji up. Now in the same form, God is seated inside Satlok, in the same appearance, and doing the work of a weaver in the same form in Banaras Kashi. When he went there and saw indeed he is the same God who took me to Satlok, I had seen in Satlok then, he said,
भाई सूरत मलुकी वेश ए ठगवाड़ा ठगी देश खरा सियाणा बहुता बार ये दानक रूप रहा करता रे.
Now no one listened to Nanak Ji. The weavers gathered there. They say he came from Punjab. and talks nonsense like this. He tells Niru's son to be God. The point is that the spectacle that has been written in the Vedas, that God comes from Satlok and appears here on earth. He goes and meets good souls. He met respected Maluk Das Ji, respected Dadu Sahib Ji, met respected Garib Das Sahib Ji, met respected Garhisa Das Sahib Ji in village Khekada district, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, met respected Garib Das Sahib Ji in village Chhodani district, Jajjar, Haryana. And Garib Das Ji had said that,
सर्व कला सतगुरु साहिब की अरियाए हरियाणे नू.
You say we have not found God, he's formless, and I'm saying Hari Aay Haryane Nu. Garib Das Ji is saying that, I'm saying Hari Aay Haryane Nu. God has come here to me. Till then Haryana was not even formed. It was part of Punjab. And hymns were spoken Hari Aay Haryane Nu. With the words of God, this became a separate region, Haryana. Otherwise, how would I have clarified Hari Aay Haryane Nu? So this Haryana region was made, God had to make it. It is said that,
कहते हैं साध वचन पलटे नीचे पलट जा ब्रह्मांड.
Now let's come to the ongoing context. In the same way, God met that girl. Rabia was a girl of 12-13 years. She was bringing fodder from the fields. God sat there on a well. The girl also sat because previous sacraments. It is said,
साधु दर्शन राम का और मुख पे बसे सुहाग, दर्श उन्हीं को होते हैं जिनके पूर्ण भाग. कबीरा साधु दर्शन का साहिब आवे याद, वो है समय लेखे में बाकी का समय बर्बाद.
Now the soul becomes happy to see the sage saint, that God comes only in the form of saints. The girl sat down looking at God and she got fascinated. It was an attraction that he is some great sage. Then she asked him, "Who are you? Where have you come from?" Then God said, "Daughter, I am Allahu Akbar." Now the girl thought that, "Are you really Allahu Akbar?" "Yes, daughter, I am God." That girl said, "What have you come for?" He said that, "I have come for you, daughter. You are doing wrong devotion. You do true worship. The worship you do within the Muslim region, these practices are sinful. You eat meat, celebrate Eid, Bakrid, these practices of yours are not good." She said that, "We do namaz. Namaz is a good thing. It is a prayer to God. But whom do you do for?" Now by writing someone's application, one removes the name of the person. Is not written that to whom it is to be given, whether it has to be given to DC or to the commissioner. The name has not been written clearly. Only Sahib has been written above. Call Allah, call Sahib, then who will listen to your application? Or even if you do namaz, then in whose name are you sending it? He is Bechun Allah. If he is Bechun, then what will he help you? He is Bechun, formless. How can ignorance stay in the front of the Almighty? The girl was very impressed. He said, "Daughter, you have been wandering for innumerable births. You were human beings in the previous births and have become human beings now. In the next life, if devotion won't be correct, then you will become an animal, or even if you become a human, then this procedure will start again. Is there an end to it?" The daughter was very impressed. She said, "God, what should I do then?" "Daughter, take initiation from me and do devotion sincerely. Chant mantras." She said, "Then these Muslim practices, do not do these at all. Do as I am telling you. Do namaz as I tell and keep doing devotion and don't eat meat." She said, "They do it compulsory. Namaz has also to be offered. Do namaz but chant these mantras while you bow head. That's all. Namaz is done." She said, "All right." So that girl took the initiation. God left after providing the mantra. She got so inspired by the knowledge that she decided that I will not get married and will get my salvation done. Now what did the family members do? During that time, the girl became young and now started her marriage preparations. The girl told the family that I will not marry, and there is a specialty in Muslim religion that they will make the girl sit first and ask the girl first that, "Daughter, do you agree to marry?" If she gives approval, then marriage will take place, otherwise not. Now that girl refused. The family members also got confused that marriage cannot happen in any case. The mother and father were worried. Explained a lot, "Daughter, it is a question of our respect and it is like this." They said everything. She said, "I do not have to get married." Now the family became worried. The mother and father quit food due to public shame. So the girl was inspired by herself. She thought, I will see when the parents are saying, let me get married. But I will tell my husband clearly that I will not have children. After making this determination, she gave approval. She was married to a very good, noble person. He was a good officer and was an officer. That daughter got married to that Muslim. As soon as she went there, she said to her husband, listen to me. I have made a vow by swearing to my Guruji that I will not have children. I will not develop relationships. If you will force me, then I will commit suicide. This is my final decision. Then he thought, what is this? He said, tell me, why have you accepted for marriage? You would have refused. There was no pressure on you. She told him that my parents were very upset because of public shame. That is why I accepted the marriage so that they should remain calm. Further, I thought that I will request you. Now it is your wish whether you accept my request or not. He was a wise, sensible, kind person. That Muslim thought, why should I hinder? Earlier people used to be God-fearing. Why should I hinder? She has so much dedication and devotion. He said, fine, Rabia. Just like your parents were afraid of public shame, in the same way we also have a society here. You will remain as my wife in the eyes of the world and will be equal to me like my sister. I will build a separate house for you and you do devotion there, but I will not let you go out of the house. So we also have respect. If you say I want to go there and do that, I will not let you go to any saint devotee. She said, whatever will be your order. Now that girl practiced for 4 years what God had told. Then people started coming into that separate room which was built. The Muslim devotee got his second marriage done. Many marriages can happen in Muslims, so other neighborhood female Muslim devotees started coming. They said, tell you, do not do anything. What is this? Means in a few days that knowledge of God was removed. That folklore again got absorbed in that daughter. And she started same activities of Muslim religion. This is a huge Kal's trap. Now she continues practicing. She turned 50 years old. When she attained the age of 50 years, she told her husband that if you permit, I want to go to Makkah to do Hajj. And as it is compulsory to go to Hajj in Muslim religion, they believe whoever has done Hajj becomes the resident of heaven. He gets benefits. So all the elderly people surely do Hajj. Her husband thought that I have seen her for 30-35 years. I haven't seen her do any bad behavior. That's why he allowed her that you can go, and if you say, I can arrange a camel for you or some vehicle. Rabia said, no, I will go on foot. As it is our thinking that going on foot will give more benefits. Now she started going because a lot of people used to go on foot. It was announced. Lines were formed. So that girl also started walking. Now she was going. While walking, there was a well in the desert. A bitch was thirsty near the well. She was very thirsty. She had small newborn children. They were sitting on the side. Their eyes were not even open, and she was very thirsty. Sometimes she was coming near Rabia's feet, and sometimes she was running away and peeping in the well. Now Rabia understood her language that she was thirsty. When she looked at the well, there was no bucket, no rope, no village nearby. No other person was seen from where she could ask for some help. Now that girl did not look here and there and pulled her hair and had long hair. She pulled her hair like this, one hair quickly. By uprooting all her hair, she made a rope. This is Muslim. They eat meat and do all the nuisance. These are not Muslims. That girl was a Muslim. It is said, Daya bina darvesh kasai. Who does not have mercy? What kind of devotee is he? She made such a long rope from her hair. The water used to be very low. And after taking off her clothes, earlier there used to be thick hand-spun clothes, she took out those clothes and tied them and soaked them in water. There was a half-broken pot lying, she squeezed into it and the bitch immediately used to drink. So she made the bitch drink water and she herself was in blood. She wiped with clothes, washed them, dried and wore them. She then prepared to move towards Makkah. It is said that the building of Makkah as it is got up and stood there along with the well. As a train stands on the platform, she saw Mecca. I reached Mecca. It was like a dream. She ran and climbed in it. As soon as she climbed, it got up. From there, and all the pilgrims who were going to bow their heads were near it, but Mecca is not there at that place. Everyone thought where our Mecca went. After some time, it was back in its place like a plane now. Due to this reason, in the whole Muslim region in that area, everyone said if one does devotion, it should be like that of Arabia. Devotion should be like that of Arabia, which one called Makkah. Even Makkah reached there. Virtuous souls now understand it like this, as the servant is telling you that earlier, whatever happiness we used to have or some good incident happened at our place, we used to think that it happened with the worship that we are doing. But these were the past virtues. She was blessed due to those past virtues, and with that mercy she got so much courage that I should uproot my hair, pull your few hair, and show me you will come to know. So the previous rites inspired her, it is said.
करे करावे साइया मन में लहर उठा, दादू से दरजीव के आप बगल हो जा.
After that, on the other hand, she became a subject of admiration. She was praised everywhere. Her next birth was of a girl named Bansuri. She then sang so many hymns that is the girls who danced. She was born as that, but still had faith in God. So she went to Makkah and she had heard that the one who dies in Mecca goes straight to Bisht heaven. Now the previous rites, the devotion she did of God for 4 years, they were dominating in her. She got so much courage. What did that girl do? She cut her neck in Mecca. That I need salvation. She had attained the age of 50 to 55 years that we want salvation, and it is said, it is the legend there that whoever dies in Mecca goes straight to heaven. So she cut her neck there. And all believed that Bansuri went to heaven. Bansuri went straight to heaven because she sacrificed herself in Mecca. These are Muslims who sacrifice themselves. You cut the goat's throat. Is that a sacrifice? You are taking a sacrifice. You are drinking the blood of others. Similarly, Hindus do. They offer goats to goddess. Will mother eat goats? She will eat cashews. She will eat raisins and eat jalebis. Who will eat this garbage? They make themselves and eat themselves and put claim on mother's head. Now after that, she was born to a Muslim Peer named Sheikh Taqi of King Sikandar Lodhi, the Emperor of Delhi. Sikandar Lodhi was a king. He was the son of Behlol Lodhi. There had been a king named Behlol Lodhi. He was also the Emperor of Delhi. So he was the religious guru of Sikandar Lodhi. Sikandar Lodhi was suffering from a very serious disease of burn. He did not get any relief from charms, mantras, any treatment anywhere. Then Sikandar Lodhi had become healthy only by the blessing of God Kabir Ji. After that, he used to respect God Kabir Dev Ji a lot. He used to give him a lot of respect. His Muslim religious guru Sheikh Taqi became jealous of Kabir Ji that your livelihood will go. The love of the king has increased more in him. A wazir, minister and fakir cannot live without envying each other. So, he started getting jealous a lot. He thought that I should humiliate Kabir Ji. I should drop Kabir Ji in the eyes of the king, he started searching for such an opportunity. One day, King Sikandar Lodhi was returning from Kashi along with God Kabir. He was coming from Banaras to Delhi. Sheikh Taki was also with him. To spend the night, they stopped near a river. On the other hand, Sheikh Taki showed his indifference towards the king. When the king asked the reason, he told that you have left a Muslim and have made a Hindu guru. I will tell all the Muslims that now the king is no longer a Muslim. Now he has become a Hindu. He has become an infidel. The king knew that if once he will tell the Muslims, everyone will turn away from me, my kingdom will go. Everyone is in his grip. That is why he used to keep him along with him. Sikandar Lodhi used to keep Sheikh Taki along with him because of this, so that at least his mouth remains silent, and if he is fine, then all the Muslim society remains with him. The king got very worried. God was with him in a separate tent. He asked the king, what is the reason for tension? Sikandar Lodhi told all the reasons. Sikandar Lodhi said that he is jealous of you. Kabirji said, I will go back. No, you can't go, no matter what happens. Then Sikandar Lodhi asked the reason, how will you become happy, Sheikh Taki? I will be happy when to whom you call God, call Kabir as Allah, make some dead alive in front of me. Because Swami Ramanandji, who was the Guruji of God Kabirji, had said such wrong words about Muslims to Sikandar Lodhi, Ramanandji to Sikandar Lodhi, then Sikandar Lodhi had beheaded Ramanandji. By the way, in the eyes of the people, in the eyes of the world, Ramanandji was the Guru of Kabirji, but Ramanand used to believe Kabirji to be his Guruji from his heart. But he remained Guruji to maintain the ritual. So, when Sikandar Lodhi cut his neck, God Kabirji made Swami Ramanandji alive there, at the same time in front of Sikandar Lodhi. When he saw this God spectacle in front of his eyes, and his burn disease was cured. Because of this reason, he was so impressed, and he came and told Sheikh Taki that, "Oh Peerji, he has come in the form of Allah. My pain got cured, all disease got destroyed." And like this, Ramanand Swami had said something wrong about our Muslim religion, and I cut his neck, and he made him alive in front of me. He is the form of Allah. Almighty himself has come. He got irritated because of this and started getting so jealous. Then that day he said, I will agree when this Kabir brings alive a dead person in front of me. Otherwise I will tell all the Muslims that the king has become an infidel. So Sikandar Lodhi told the reason that Gurudev Sheikh Taki says that Kabirji should make a dead body alive in front of me. Otherwise, he will really set fire. This has become a matter of concern to me. Then Kabirji said, tell him to bring someone dead. Let's see if it gets fixed. Now Sikandar said to Sheikh Taki that he's saying bring a dead person. He said, from where should I bring a dead person? When there will be some dead, then we will see. In the meantime, God, it is said, oi hoy. God cannot see even a little sorrow of his devotee, even for a second. What is seen after a few minutes? A boy after death was flown in the water after last rites. Some tribes do like this. They do not burn, nor do they bury in the ground. They flow in the water. That boy, after completing his time, had died and was flown in the water. He was coming flowing. Someone told that a dead had come. The dead had come. Everyone gathered at the same time. Then God Kabirji said, Sheikh Taki, now you should try, or later you will disagree. He said, I will. What does Kabir know more? So Sheikh Taki started trying. Foofa, toont ha. He thought, let me do, my prestige would be made. That dead went far away, flowing in the water, went a long way in the river, 500-600 feet ahead. Then Sheikh Taki tells Sikandar that Kabir wanted that somehow this dead body should go ahead. That's why he engaged me. Can dead body become alive? It will happen when doomsday comes. Kabirji stood up, and as the dead body had flown ahead, that dead body went far. He did his hand like this. That dead body started coming back upstream to the flow of water. It came back near God, and God said, "O soul, enter this dead body by the order of Kabir. Wherever you are, come back." And you come out in 1 second. At that very moment, the boy became alive and bowed at the feet of Kabirji. Hail Satguru Dev! Now, Sheikh Taki, it is said, he got more ashamed. Now jealousy increased more. He thought that he ruined the plan. People will worship him more now. Now, about that boy, the people present there, that he did something amazing. He did amazing. The boy was named Kamal. Now they came to Delhi from there. Now Sheikh Taki gathered all the Muslims that the king is about to convert. He keeps infidel Hindu along with him like this, and do something. Brothers, Muslims said, "Tell Pirji, we will do whatever you say. Let's go to the king." They went to the king in thousands of numbers, and he did strike, protested. The king asked the reason. Sheikh Taki said, "Whom you have brought, Kabir?" That boy was in shock and had to be alive like that. He was freshly dead. I will believe it when my daughter. Now that girl, Rabia, her third birth was at Sheikh Taki's house, and she had died after attaining the age of 12. Her human life was over. Further, human life was not there. So Sheikh Taki had buried the girl according to the Muslim rituals. She was buried in a grave. So Sheikh Taki told Sikandar Lodi that I will believe Kabir is God when he will bring my daughter alive, otherwise we will revolt. Now again he created tension. God was omniscient. He had gone to remove all arrogance. God Kabirji asked Sikandarji, "What happened? King, you look a bit worried." The king told all his problems. Now it is said that God cannot see the sorrow of his devotee. He said, "Okay brother, tell Sheikh Taki that I will make that girl alive on the third day from today, and you will get this announced everywhere so that if he doesn't agree in 10:20, the whole world can see." It was announced all around that the dead will be brought alive. A saint named Kabir has come, a great man who only cured the burn disease of Sikandar Lodi because the king had a disease. Everyone was worried about it. And when he became healthy, everyone was happy. He had become the subject of discussion. Has that saint come? He only has come. Who cured the disease of Sikandar Lodi? Yes, he only has come. Thousands of people gathered there. The grave was dug at the decided time. The king is present. Even all the Muslims, even the Hindus, don't know how many gathered there, and the girl's dead body is inside the grave. Then God said, "Sheikh Taki, now you try or you will not agree later." Then those who were present started saying that if Sheikh Taki had some powers, then who would let his daughter die? He would have made her alive already. You only do something. Now God Kabirji said, "Oh, Sheikh Taki's daughter, come alive." She did not get alive. He said again the second time that, "Oh, Sheikh Taki's daughter, come alive." She did not get alive. Then Sheikh Taki started playing Bhangra. He dances, jumps. Look at the lies of the fraud has been caught. He can't do anything. The third time God again said she did not come alive. Then God said, "Sheikh Taki, keep some peace. Yes, peace has happened. Your fraud has been caught. Look at his lies, his hypocrisy." Then God said, "O soul, wherever you are, come back by Kabir's order and enter into the body of the daughter and come out." Within 2 seconds, the whole body started trembling. The girl got up and bowed down to the feet of God. Hail Satguru Dev. Then everyone said that Maharaj did a miracle, did amazing. Then the girl was named Kamali and he kept her in the form of his daughter. Similarly, Kamal, the boy who was made alive of 12 years. So everyone said he did miracle, did amazing. Then God named him Kamal. He kept him with him like his son, granted devotion. Now when that girl became alive, God said, daughter, go with your father, and on the other hand, she was given the consciousness of her past lives. God opened her divine vision with his blessings. Now that girl remembered her previous lives. She stood up and preached for 2 hours, for 1.5 hours. That girl said, "Oh people, he is God standing, he is Allahu Akbar. In my earlier birth, in my 3rd birth, in that I had taken mantra from him and I left devotion after doing it for 4 years. Due to my devotion of 4 years, I got 3 human births continuously, but this life was only for 12 years. I did not have any breaths remaining. I would have gone in the animal life form and I had made a great mistake. Now I have recognized God, Allah. I have found my real father. I will not go with the fake one." Now Sheikh Taqi had done it so that I would humiliate God. There many thousands of people took initiation from God and became his disciple. Hail Satguru Dev. It is said,
सतगुरु संगत छोड़ के चाहे लाख वर्ष जप कीन, इंद्री कर्म ना मोक्ष हुआ फिर काल के अधीन.
Then welfare happened of that soul when she again came at the feet of God. Hail Satguru Dev. Sat Sahib.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।